So let's start the class and see, in yesterday's class we have derived this formula, that is G phi is equal to G minus R omega square cos square phi. Yes or no? Right? This formula we have derived. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see here, as I told, at poles, what is the phi? Yes, at equator, first of all, at equator, phi is equal to how much? Tell me. How much at
0
equator?
degrees.
Yes, 0 degrees.
Zero.
So then G phi is equal to how much here? G minus R omega square. So therefore, G at equator is equal to G minus R omega square. So from G, we have to subtract this R omega square factor, and that's why this is what? Minimum or maximum value? Minimum. Okay. So where gravity value is minimum? At equator. Next you see, at poles. At poles. What is phi value? Bolo?
90
90
degrees.
degree. So what you will get? G phi then at this point, G minus R omega square cos square 90, which is equal to 0. And therefore Gp is equal to G. Yes or no? Which is maximum. Which is maximum. So where gravity is maximum, where it is minimum? Tell me where it is maximum. At poles. Where it is maximum? At poles. And where it is minimum? At equator.
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 Yes, clear? Okay, understood everyone. Yes. Yes, no. So tell me, at poles, see here what I am writing, note point, or gravity at poles we can say. See what I am writing, listen carefully. Gravity at poles is independent of angular velocity. How I can say this statement? Tell me. Yes. Yes, bolo. Because see here, G phi, this total term is going to be 0. Even though we have omega, this complete factor is going to be 0. So it is independent of that omega value. Understand? So at poles, the gravity is independent of angular velocity. Understood? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, one more note point. If Earth stops spinning, if Earth stops spinning, then G at equator increases by r omega square and remains unchanged at poles. ये याद रखो. Okay, so at poles it does not change, but when Earth stops spinning at equator, G will increase by r omega square factor. Next one, see here, the value of A is equal to what? Omega square r. The value is what? Omega square r. Now A is equal to, omega is equal to what rate? 2 pi by T whole square into r. You know this formula. Omega is equal to 2 pi by T. Now, see, Earth is revolving. So, how much time it is taking for one complete revolution? How much time it is taking? A is acceleration. Okay. Yes. What is time period for one complete revolution of Earth? Bolo. How much time? Tell me. Around its own orbit, around itself we can say, not around the sun. How much? That is around the sun. How much? 24 hours. Yes. So 24 hours means here, shall I write like this? This is numerator is 4 pi square divided by T means 24 hours. So 24 hours means 24 into 3600 seconds into R. R is how much radius of Earth? How much you will get? See, how much radius of Earth? You know it. Tell me. 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Now just solve this and see how much you are getting. Do it yourself. So this meter you don't write, okay, in the formula or in the substitution. No need. So see now how much you are getting. Do it yourself. Tell me the answer. Yes, how much? Pi square you can take nearly 10. Pi square you can take nearly 10. तो देखो कितना आ रहा है. Tell me fast. हाँ, यहाँ पे आपको 1 मिनट रुको. ये जो है ना नीचे वाला ब्रैकेट, ये पूरा स्क्वायर है ना, इसको भी और एक बार ले लो. मैं फिर से इधर लिखता हूँ इंटू 24 इंटू 3600, क्योंकि स्क्वायर है ना, तो दोनों का स्क्वायर करो. ये टी का भी स्क्वायर होना चाहिए, है ना. तो जो भी आपको आंसर आए उसको फिर से उतने से डिवाइड करो, सही है ना? देखो कितना आता है, चेक करो, आ रहा है क्या आंसर, देखो। Pi square value you take around 10 you can take, okay, or 9.8 something, 3.14 into 3.14. Yes, tell me answer. How much? 8/27. चेक करो एक बार, चेक करो, डू इट योरसेल्फ। ये स्क्वायर करो, टी का भी स्क्वायर करो नीचे। देखो करो, तो ये आपको आएगा नियरली 0.034 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर। करके देखो, ठीक है, नियरली 0.03, यू कैन चेक इट। ओके, right, shall we go to the next page? Okay, you can do this is just calculation, do it yourself. Okay, can you do it? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, yes Nisha, right, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। Now see here how they have asked question on this, so we have to solve this. Listen, very nice problem on this model. What is the time period of rotation? What is the time period of rotation? What is the time period of rotation of the earth around its axis so that the objects at the equator becomes weightless. So it's given what? G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square and R is equal to 6,400 kilometer. Okay, so see what we have to find now, time period. Okay, clear है ना? क्या फाइंड आउट करना है हमें? टाइम पीरियड around its axis so that the objects at the equator becomes weightless. So at equator object should become weightless, है ना? तो अब देखो, shall I draw the diagram? Now see, this is earth and this is what the axis we can say, है ना, right? And at equator, what is the cos value? Re bolo bolo. At equator, cos value is what? Phi value particularly. Phi is equal to 0 degree.
0.
Yes, phi is equal to 0. Yes, Anirudh. Now you see at equator we are having g phi is equal to g minus r omega square cos square 0. So cos square 0 means cos 0 is 1. So we are getting g phi is equal to g minus r omega square. Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Yes, Advita. Now see here. Now weightlessness means this resultant force, if we will consider, or resultant weight, if I am multiplying on both sides with m g phi is equal to m into g minus r omega square, है ना? So अगर उसका weightlessness चाहिए तो क्या होना चाहिए? g phi should be equal to 0. Weightlessness means what? G phi should be equal to 0. Then only its weight will become 0 at that particular point. So therefore 0 should be equal to g minus r omega square. So why I have written here this one? Weightless at equator. And when body can become weightless at particular point, when gravity will become 0. Agree with me, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Yes,
can
sir.
I write like this? G is equal to this r omega square will come here. So this is r omega square. And now omega square is equal to g by r. Now we know t is equal to 2 pi by omega, or omega is equal to 2 pi by t. है कि नहीं? Omega is equal to 2 pi by t, right? Yes, omega is equal to 2 pi by t, and therefore t is equal to 2 pi by omega. And here from this point, can I write like this? Omega is equal to under root of g by r. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Check karo ek baar. Okay, so this time period t is equal to, now what you will get, rate 2 pi. This is 1 by omega na. So you will get divided by root of g by r. So this will become 2 pi under root r by g. है ना? This r will come up. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now substitute the all values. Can you do it yourself? T is equal to 2 into 3.14 under root radius of earth already given 6,400 kilometer. You convert into meter. So 6400 into 10 to the power 3. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
And divided by g is how much? 9.8. Do it this now. So if I will round off this, can you do it now? Do it. This 6,400, is it any? Yes, 80 square, huh? Yes.
Sir.
So shall I take like this? 2 into 3.14 into 80 outside, and under root I will keep 10 power 3, means this is 1000 divided by this 9.8. Yes, no? Check karo ab kitna aata hai. If I will round off this as a nearly 10, and this 0 I will cancel, means again you are getting 10. 2 into 3.14 into 80 into this is nearly 10. सही है क्या? अब करके देखो. How much you are getting? Check करो. तो आपको आएगा how much you are getting 5024 seconds. सही है क्या? देखो
Yes, sir.
5024 seconds. This is what your answer is. अगर आपको इसको मिनट में कन्वर्ट करना है, if you want to convert it to minute, what you do? You just divide it with 60, है ना? Divide by 60 if you will do, it is nearly 83.7 minutes. So nearly 84 minutes, okay? If you want to convert into minutes. So time period is how much here? 5024 seconds. Okay? Any doubt? Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note down. If you want to convert into minute, below you can convert. Note down fast. Finished. Yes, finished or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
right. So let's solve one more problem. Listen carefully. One more problem. The angular velocity of the earth, the angular velocity of earth with which it has to rotate, with which it has to rotate so that the acceleration due to gravity, so that the acceleration due to gravity on 60-degree latitude, on 60-degree latitude becomes 0. Becomes 0. Option number 1, that is A option, we can say 3 into root g by r. Next, option number B, 4 root of g by r. Option number C, root g by r. And option number D, 2 root g by r. Can you solve? Can you solve yourself? Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, try karo. What we have to find here, tell me. Yes, bolo. What we have to find? What we have to find? Tell me. Yes, Nisha, right. Yes. So omega we have to find. Do it. Can you do it, everyone? Try. Everyone, you should respond. Send me solution. Send me your solution on WhatsApp. So G phi is equal to G minus R omega square cos square phi. है ना? So now already what is given here? Here it is G phi is equal to 0. And phi angle is what, Ray? Bolo. How much phi? 60 degrees. Can you substitute and do it now? You have to find omega. Can you do it yourself? Yes. Do it. Shall I go
Yes,
to the next?
sir.
Shall I go to the next problem? You see the option. Don't calculate the values. Whatever their options are there, no? You try to get answer like that. Okay. Advita. Got it? Yes. You try to get like this only. Don't substitute the values. Shall I go to the next question? Shall I go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you try
Yes, sir.
this. I am giving one more problem to you. So you can try that also. Okay. So see here. What is the next question? This is your homework problem. Okay. You try to solve this. You send me the solution. Okay. We will decide later. That previous question. So see here, some are getting 3, some are getting 4. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Okay, option number 4 देखो. Okay, हाँ, ये जो क्वेश्चन है इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 4, दैट इज डी. ओके, चेक करो खुद, ऑप्शन डी है इसका आंसर. राइट. हाँ, चलो होमवर्क प्रॉब्लम देखो फास्ट. लिसन प्रॉब्लम. द एंगुलर वेलोसिटी ऑफ द अर्थ, the angular velocity of the earth about its polar axis, so that the weight of the body at the equator will be 0. At the equator will be 0. Equator phi कितना रहता है? What is the phi value at equator? बोलो.
0.
Yes. Option number 1, 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 3 radian per second. Option 2, 2 radian per second. Option 3, that is 1 radian per second. And option number 4, 0. Okay, this is what your homework problem. Can you do it?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
do it? And for
Yes.
this, you have
Yes, sir.
answer, that is option number 1. What is the answer for this question? Option number 1. Okay. So here also what you have to find? Omega only. Here you have to substitute all the values and get the answer. In the previous problem, you have to just create one formula. Here you have to substitute all values and you can do it. I think it is easy. Yes. Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone can do
Yes,
no.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Third page. Okay, you want third page?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the third page. Take it fast. Yes, taken. Okay. So now see, this is a homework problem and do it now. Okay. Shall we stop here for today? Solve this. Okay, bye. Enjoy the day.